tolerance thresholds. In case you have to drive with your customer tolerance thresholds. This is very simple. As we can see here, it is a visual representation of the maximum number then permitted before then. The pest scales to a state critical configuration can be made on two levels. The first is at a general level within catalogs, and the thresholds have a set of two at pest type level and at pest level. For example, here the level rodent pest type. The tolerance threshold is 3. We could also do so at the level of pest belonging to the pest type. If we click here at Edit, we can override it. This makes that the system first make a pest level assessment, and if you do not find it, you go to the pest type level. Let's put it here in 15. The other place where thresholds can be worked is at plant level. For that, let's go to the contract and raise a level to the plant. Inside the plant, we go to the right-hand side tolerance thresholds, and I can tell you I want other thresholds. We can work at the level of pest types or at the pest level. By default is going to take the value configured within the magic list, and here we can do an adjustment not, for example, to 25. We add and give you create. Now within the system, the order of evaluation is as follows. First searched at the plant level, and within this search is at the pest level, and then the type of pest. If the level of the plant does not exist, we'll look for it in the master listing. Then let's make an example. I am going to open any. Let's do an exercise by scanning this QR code with the application through an inspection we point out here. And ready. Let's make some checks. And here in Rupipest, let's put an exaggerated data. We are going to place 50, and we are going to give you create. Ready, this has already been saved. Here I have inside the reports a report that we are going to regenerate. By clicking here to view the data, is a report that covers until the end of this period, which is October. The tolerance thresholds will appear in two parameter sets specifically. In graphics parameters, if we click on Capture Trend, we will see the option to paint the tolerance thresholds. The other section is within historical parameters. Captures. Why? Tolerance thresholds. Since our report is regenerated, we are going to give it PDF to download it. We click here. In the process, report generation, and we wait a moment. Ready, we click on download. Within the chapters, let's go to the curves here. For example, Rupipest. The tolerance threshold of 25 is marking. We have already exceeded ourselves with this correct number 50. And below is. We can see the other data, as in rat mice. And other species we have not specified is taking at the level of the type of pest left at 20. In this report in the regenerative of historical, I have tolerance not marked thresholds for historical records, for graphics only. Of each of the specific visits, This is how you can view this section of generation of reports with thresholds.